Hi, my name is Raman Rajpal. I am going to introduce a game changer for the public clouds. You will never look at a server in the cloud the same way again. Today, we will demystify the cloud, unveil it, to show you how to get the best virtual machine for your application. In fact, you won't even want to use a server before checking its performance ranking with us. Why? Simply because what you see is not what you may get. Service providers do not buy all their servers at once, nor do they replace all of them at the same time. It is like a fleet of cars at a rental company. Even for the cars in the same category, you may get a different make or model. Then there's the aspect of noisy neighbors as others compete for resources on the machine assigned to you. We have an innovative technology to tell you what level of performance you can expect on the machine you want in the availability zone and data center of your choice. Also, paying more or getting a larger machine does not always mean better performance, as you will see in the following demo. Meghafind is an innovative Silicon Valley-based company that can help you find the right machine at cheapest cost to you. I will now show you a live demo of how to get the best performance given your boundary conditions. For the purpose of this demo, we will use Amazon's EC2 services. Let's take a look and get started. Here is the Find screen. We enter your requirements in 3 simple steps. First, you indicate the region that you're interested in. In this case, let's pick all the regions that are available. That's US East Virginia, US West Northern California, and US West Oregon. Then we specify the instance class that you're interested in, and we'll take the T2 machines. In the case of the instance types, we will take a look at T2 small and the T2 large. You can use Meghafind's benchmarks or specify your own. Ours consists of 3 simple scouts for CPU, memory, and storage comparisons. You can add different weights for each of these to mimic your application behavior. Now, in the case of the benchmark name, in here we will be using CPU ops per second. The goal here, we're going to specify in the first instance to get the best of all time performance. We could also have gotten best performance particular day of the week or month, or best performance at a particular time in the day. Having said that, we're going to sort this by average performance. All we do now is hit find, and you will almost instantaneously get the tabulated results. So here we go. Let's take a look at what that shows us. As you can see, the servers listed in the order of their performance and operational costs. It is obvious the large machines clearly give you the highest relative score, but they also cost more. What is important to notice here is that for the same machine, T2 small, in different regions, you can actually get a wide variation. In some instances, like in the case of US West 2C, not only do we get a poor performance at a higher cost, but the percentage of variation is much larger. This is important to keep in mind. Once you have all the data, you get to make an informed decision on what the best solution is for your needs. The percentage variation we talked about in 2C becomes even more evident in the graph. As you can see, the coefficient of variation, the percentage variation, is the highest in the location US West 2C. Going back and comparing the same machine between US West 2C and US West 1B, you take a look. You get a performance degradation of just 5, whereas the cost goes up by almost 50%. This underlies or underscores the fact that you can have the same machine giving you a far varied performance for a very different cost between sites, between regions. You just saw a demo of some of Meghafind's application features. Other options include specifying your desired performance range, and Meghafind will tell you the probability and cost. Additionally, you can use our web application or use our APIs in your deployment automation software. Last but not least, once you get the performance of your application on any cloud server, using our proprietary patented technology, we can tell you how your app will behave on any other server. Call or email me if you want to see this demo in person or try it out. Thanks for your time. Have a great day, and remember to keep smiling.